Hello, fellow adventure seekers. Rootless Wanderer here, and today I'm going to be working on something a little different. I'm putting those window covers on hold, and I'm going to be working on screens for the back windows. Let's get started. So what I will be doing today is making screens for the two back windows. Now, I saw a video on YouTube by an engineer named Nick, and he did a van tour. In part 2 of that van tour, he explains how to do these screens, so check out his video. I will add the title and channel name to the screen right there if you want to check it out. So what I'm going to be doing is using this no-seam mesh that I ordered from Amazon, and I'm going to be cutting these out to fit the shapes of the windows, and then I'm going to use this to tuck it in the edges. Step 1, unravel mesh. Step 2, cut mesh. It's a little tricky getting behind the seatbelt here, but not too bad. It does seem to be working, guys, so the screen is here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, guys, so I almost have all the screen in around the edges. Nick does mention in his video that you need to leave some slack around the latch so that you can still open and close the window. So that's what I'm trying to do now. I'm going to trim off some of this excess mesh. I think I've got enough slack in here to open and close. So I'm going to trim some of this off and then tuck the rest in, and then we'll try it out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see in there, but it does get a little tricky around here. You gotta like try not to get it caught in the latch and then push it in the corners. Okay, now that the screen is in, let's try it out. I've given it enough slack here so that I can open and close without having to remove the screen. And we are open. As you can see, there is quite a bit of slack. I'm not sure I need that much, but I think I'm going to leave it for now. DIY window screens complete. Oh my god, you guys, it worked. This is exactly what I needed to boost my confidence. I am still working on those window covers, the Reflectix window covers. I think I found a solution, and thank you to everybody who reached out to me and gave me ideas, and I think I've come up with a perfect solution. So stay tuned. If you're enjoying these videos, come on, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell.